Okay, that was really exciting for me. Wow, I can't believe that worked. Jiminy Christmas. Hi, I'm Steph, and today I'm going to be trying out the top 5 most pinned holiday DIYs on Pinterest. So the projects that I'm going to be trying out today are a DIY temporary tattoo Christmas ornament, some festive wine bottle candlesticks, an embroidery hoop holiday wreath, some festive holiday place cards, and last I'm going to do a letterboard Christmas dinner menu. Okay, so the first project that I'm gonna try is this temporary tattoo Christmas ornament project, which I think is such a great idea, and I can't believe I never thought of this before. But basically all we're gonna do is take just a plain, boring Christmas ornament and take some temporary tattoos. I got some nice, pretty festive ones, and just slap them on there and make it look awesome. So let's do it. So I have 3 designs here. I can't really decide what I want to do. I think I'm into this like metallic gold one. But then I also have this really pretty green one. Ooh, but that's cute. I also have a clear one, which could be really pretty. I think I like the gold with the white. Okay, we've decided green on the clear, gold on the white. So I'm just gonna apply these the way you would apply a normal temporary tattoo, as I'm sure you know how to do. So I just have some water here for my towel. I have a really big towel because I couldn't find a smaller one, but you know, here we are. And I'm just gonna take this temporary tattoo and slap it right on there. Hopefully this works. This is a really awkward shape. I'm gonna take my towel, get some water on it, and here we go. This really reminds me of my childhood. Applying tattoos everywhere, all over my body. It's just like wrinkling because it's such a weird shape. I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold this for. Waiting is fun. Okay, I'm not very hopeful, to be honest with you. It worked! It's a little messed up, but it actually kind of looks cool. Okay, that was really exciting for me. I hope it was just as exciting for you. Now I'm gonna do it a million more times. Wow, I can't believe that worked. Let's add some more. Wow, guys, do you see this? This would cost like $10 at Target, you know? It takes a little bit of time and patience, a little bit of futzing. You gotta love it, you know? But it looks so cute. I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's make our other one and see what they look like. Whoop, stay. Okay, I think I might just put one on this because it's so long. Okay. Ooh, the nice thing about this is that it's clear so I can see what I'm doing. Useful. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, it's coming off. Kind of broke into pieces, but it's fine. So it's not great, as you can see. It's kind of got this weird little sticky residue around the edges, but I think this one turned out really cute. So I guess you just have to get the right ornament and the right tattoo. Sometimes it'll work and sometimes it won't. And I guess that's what you get when you're doing a DIY. But I would say this project, even though it's a little rocky, is totally pinnable. So the next project that I'm gonna try is this really cool candlestick holder. It's very festive, but very sleek, simple, kind of minimalist, a little bit Scandinavian inspired. And I just love this pin. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm very excited to make this. So all you need is an empty wine bottle or any kind of bottle. It doesn't have to be a wine bottle. It could be a totally different shape. And we're gonna put some greenery in it. So I have some rosemary here. I also have some pine. This is all like fresh, like real greenery, and it smells so good. Oh my God, I wish you could smell it. It's amazing. And then I also have this. I don't even know what this is, but it's cute. It has a little red berry on it. So I might use that too. So I think I'm gonna make 3 of them with each of these different plants. So let's just get started. So first I'm gonna take some of this rosemary and I'm just gonna shove it in there. Cute. And then the finishing touch is to put some water in it. I don't know if this is like to keep them from dying or if it's just because it looks cool, but all of the pins had water in their bottles, so I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. It just smells so good. I might just stop right there. Yes, 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 yes. And now, final touch, the candlestick. I had to carve the bottom off a little bit because these ones are a little bit too thick, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Look at this. Wow. That's so pretty. And that literally took me like 2 minutes tops. Like that was probably the easiest DIY project I've ever made in my life. And it's super cute. Like, can you just picture this in like the middle of like your fancy dinner table with your fancy holiday party? Ah, it's so pretty. And it smells really good. Wait, I have to light it. I have to light it. Da-da-da. Oh, come on. This is beautiful. You could like buy this at like West Elm for $50, but instead I just made it for like $3. I am super satisfied with this. I'm gonna make more because I loved it so much. I'm just gonna put you over here really carefully. Let's do it. Very excited about this. This one, I'm gonna put some pine. I don't really know how to do this. I love projects like this because you can just put anything in this bottle, anything you want. Doesn't even have to be green. It could be like cranberries. That would be cool. Anything festive, candy canes. I don't know if you could fit candy canes in there, but you could break them up. There's so much room for creativity. Man, I don't know what it is about the water, but it really just brings it all together. Last one. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Boom. Last one. Yes, yes. Jiminy Christmas. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look at this beautiful set. I love these so much. I'm gonna take these home with me and put them in my apartment. What do you think, Meg?
They're beautiful.
They're just so elegant, you know? Now I just wanna have a dinner party. Okay, so the next project, I'm very excited about this one. This is an embroidery hoop wreath, and they're really cute. They're like asymmetrical. They don't go all the way around. They're kind of like a moon, like a half moon shape, and I am very into that. Very into that aesthetic. I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can do it. So I have here my embroidery hoop. I'm just gonna take it apart and take off the section with this little metal doohickey because it's kind of ugly and I don't really want it. You can get any size. They come in literally like this big or like this big. It's crazy. Just go wild, you know? I wanted to use live greenery, fresh, real stuff, you know, the good stuff, because it smells really nice. When you hang it up in your home, it'll just kind of create that nice wafting aroma of just like pine and rosemary and Christmas. But it is gonna die at some point, so that's kind of upsetting. But you know, we're not gonna think about that part. And we're just gonna live in the now. I don't know, I've got some pine here, some really nice, like soft, luscious pine. Some of this stuff, this is the stuff I put in my candlestick bottle with the little berries. I have some baby's breath, and I have some of this stuff. I don't know what this is, but I have it. And I have a glue gun, which, oh, there we go. I will say, I've never made a wreath before in my entire life. So this is an experiment for me, and we'll see how it goes. Wow, this smells incredible. I wish you could smell it. It smells like Christmas in here. Oh, there's 2 pieces here. This one has a berry. I want it. I love these flowers. They're just so delicate and elegant. That's really the vibe we're going for today, elegance. Ooh, ooh, yes. Okay, so let's glue on some pine. Should I glue to the wide side? Probably. Yeah, I don't know. No, maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, sorry, I'm just talking to myself. It'll be something like that. Ooh, my hands are shaking. It's gonna be very hard to do this and not burn my fingers. I will be impressed if I make it through this without burning my fingers. Ow! I'm only on the first piece and I already burned myself. Aha! First piece, success. Okay, I think that's all the pine. Let's do the next part, which is this plant that I don't know the name of. I think if you're using a really stiff plant, it helps to glue it to the inside of the ring, because then the ring itself will kind of hold it together and it won't pop off. Something up here, I need a little something. Maybe I can get more of this stuff to carry it through. You just gotta play around with it until you get it just the way you want it. I'm gonna throw in a little sprig of baby's breath because it's so cute. I love this plant because just like a tiny little touch of it just adds a little something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. Yes, that's it. That's it. I think I might be done. It's hard to tell when you're done. You just want to keep going. But I don't want to overdo it. I want it to be nice and elegant. And I think I've achieved this. This is cute. I like this a lot. Okay, that was really easy and like the payoff is huge. If you went to a store and bought something like this, I can't even imagine how much it would cost, especially with real fresh plants. I love this. I would say this is definitely pinnable. So I have these paint markers and I'm gonna use them to write on these little leaves that I have. Now I got fake leaves because I think while real leaves are really pretty and beautiful, I feel like writing on real leaves is kind of tricky. So I'm just gonna test out my 3 markers on these 3 leaves and just write down my names. Super easy, it's gonna take no time at all, and see what they look like. So first I have this little leaf and I have a silver marker and I'm gonna write my name. This is where having good handwriting really comes in handy. That worked. That was easy, done. Let's try a different color. Meg, I'm gonna write your name. Ooh, I really like the gold. It's pretty. Ooh, this one's beautiful. Gold just makes everything look so elegant and nice, and I love it. And then last, I have white, just to keep it real simple. Whose name should I write? I'll write my dad's name. Done. Cute. Wow, I just made 3 place cards in literally no time. And they look really cute and it was really easy. I would like to know what it's like to draw on a real leaf. Do I have any real leaves? I have real leaves. Let's draw on one. Do I have any big ones?
Tiny ones.
This might be the biggest one that we have. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this would even be cute if you did like the whole sprig. We're getting creative, guys. I'm just gonna write on one of them and then you can stick it on a plate. I don't know. I'm gonna do gold because I really liked the gold. What's a nice short name? I'm gonna write Lily. I don't know why. Just feels right. Lily. Well, it wrote on this leaf really nicely, so I guess you could use a real leaf and it would be fine. I'm a liar. Gonna set the table. Ooh, too bad I didn't have a rose gold marker to match this silverware. Beautiful. I feel like I'm about to eat a really nice meal. I'm sad that I'm not. Kind of hungry. Let's try and see what these look like. It's so cute. I can imagine just like a really cute little like outdoor party. Maybe not outdoor if it's Christmas. Maybe if you live in a warm area on Christmas, that'd be nice. But even indoor, it's just really nice. You could set up our candlesticks that we made, put the wreath over there. I've got a whole party just made for you right now in this video. There you go, you're welcome. And then, I don't know, I just like the little sprig. It's just cute. Yay, that was so easy. I'm gonna say this is definitely 100% pinnable. Okay, so one more project that I wanted to show you guys. I already did it because it was a little bit time consuming, but it was this. So this is your Christmas dinner menu. I just saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was the coolest, cutest thing ever. It's just so photogenic, it's so pretty, it's so easy, and it's so great because you can do this with no artistic talent whatsoever. All you need is like hands and you can do it. And it's just this little letterboard. You can find these on Amazon or anywhere really. They're all over the place and you can write whatever you want on your board. But I thought just, I don't know, I saw this little menu thing on Pinterest. They put their dinner menu on it. And I thought that was such a cool idea. That way everyone that comes to your party can see what they're gonna eat and they can take a picture of it because it's just so cute and so Instagrammable and I love it. But yeah, it was super easy. Just takes a little bit of time. I would say this one is totally pinnable. All right, that's all of our projects. I am so excited that we got 5 out of 5. Every single one of these was a winner. They all looked so nice, so beautiful, and they were so easy. Like anyone could do these projects, even if you're not super crafty. Like they were all really accessible. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it got you guys in the holiday spirit to make some DIY projects or just enjoy the holidays. Be sure to subscribe to Nifty if you want to see more videos like this, and happy holidays.